In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious monkey bread muffins recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need cinnamon rolls, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a container, we're going to start by adding the sugar and the cinnamon. We're going to add the lid to the container and mix until well combined. We're going to set this mixture aside for later. Now we're going to open up our cinnamon rolls and take them out of the container. We're going to cut the cinnamon rolls into quarter pieces. We're going to pull the cinnamon roll quarters apart and add them to the cinnamon mixture. We're then going to shake them around in this mixture until they're completely coated. We're going to brush all the sides of a muffin tin with softened butter. In the muffin tin, we're going to add in our cinnamon roll pieces. To the brown sugar, we're going to add in the vanilla extract and the butter. We're going to melt this in the microwave until it's completely melted. We're going to drizzle our brown sugar butter mixture over our muffins. We're going to bake these in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. Our monkey bread muffins are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.